Dead? How could that be? He is dead. Hey! Abomination! Aru! Hey! Jay! This has never happened before in the history of Naija. This is double sacrilege. How can we sacrifice a dead man to the gods? Abomination. This will speak doom for Naija. So, what do we do? This is beyond me. I must seek guidance in Abudo. Okemiri, the son of Egwenche the Great Dikeh, must have a solution to this bad omen. And the body? It should be led in privacy till my return from Abudo. Yes.
Kanna. Where's Kanna? That's my son. Kanna, my son. Where's Kanna?
Calm down. Calm down.
Kanna.
He is coming. Igwe has ordered for his release. He will be back by sunset. Oh? Which will begin. Oh?
Kanna! Kanna, come back! Kanna! He's going. He's going to the land beyond. No. Kanna! Kanna! Kanna, come back!
No, Zugo.
Kanna, come back! Kanna! Kanna, come back!
Please, he's coming
Kanna,
back.
come back!
Please.
Call him. Call him back. Call him.
No, he's not going.
Leave me. I want to go.
Please.
Kanna, come back!
No, Zugo. Oh, no. Biko, he's coming back. Please.
Odinja, Uburu Merio Dinja, Merio Dinja, Uburu Merio Dinja, Meriana, Odinja, Uburu Merio Dinja, Merio, Uburu Merio Dinja, Meriana, Merio, Merio, Uburu Merio odinja, ubulu meri odinja.
Obim, you can't continue like this. You can't continue like this. Nwa Onyinye Chukwu. Anaghị azụ ya n'ahịa. Ụkwara oge ọ daa. Please. Please. Well, if this is the way you want it, so be it. Obim, come.
You mean my husband? Yes, he went out. How did he go? You wouldn't believe it. Finally, he accepted.
Are you serious? May the gods be praised. Hey.
Since you are the person that knows the place, when are you taking me there? Today, tomorrow, next tomorrow? My dear, you won't understand.
I'm happy for you, my dear. I'm happy for you. Anyway, she sees people on a Eke market day. Yeah. So, get prepared.
Huh?
Yes.
What is this woman up to? Where is she taking my mother?
Just like that?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm so grateful.
No problem. What are friends for?
Thank you very much.
No problem.
as demanded. Mother of nature, I bring before you the sacrifice of fertility as demanded. If you bless my womb with the children of my own, I will serve you forever.
I have seen your sacrifice, and your demand is granted.
Mama, what? What do you thought? Good. Now, I want you to listen carefully. I want to teach you why we are the best wine tappers around. And the more, your father, I am the best in this our locality. And when you grow up, I will want you to follow my footsteps. You know, go? When you want to tap the wine, you must understand that Nampu Mwerobi. Imatu Biunku, Ipo Biunku, Mkwabala Maya Dioto. They can kind of. Yes. You must learn to be friends to the palm tree. And when you understand the palm as your friend, you will tap it when the palm feels pleased, and not when you, as the tapper, pleases to tap the palm. Are you with me? Good. Wangla. Okuye medical siku. Ha, isi wonwa. Wangwonko mama. Okuya.
are you doing here?
You are beginning to lose the essence of your being here. Your mother tied your destiny to that of Ekwemiri. You need to break it. It is only when you do that the destiny of any woman who comes your way shall become free.
So, what do I do now?
Go to the village square. Obuso will be waiting for you. He will guard and guide you.
Obuso. Obuso is up. Ne.
Igwe, how long shall we wait for Obaji? The corpse of that young man is changing looks and should be buried immediately.
Igwe, I agree with Ichokoro. Why should one hunt tortoise diligently? Is he going to run away? Mbano. We are only wasting our time on matters we ought not to. Igwe, I suggest we bury that boy and go ahead with the burial rites of the princess. That is what matters most.
Igwe, oftentimes we expect a dead tree to fall while the living one uproots itself. Things do not happen the way we think most times. Since it has happened this way, let's move on. Remember, this is 5 days. 5 good days. Otto Obaje is not yet back. Huh?
You must be Kana, a man from the other side of life. I've waited for you for many decades. Your father, Akabike, instructed me to help you when the time comes. Follow me closely, I walk faster. Your father knew the consequences of what your mother had done, but was wise enough to make an alternative with her.
How did he know?
Simos, my friend, I have told you time without number. I have a way out of this situation. Yes. My husband will not let me. He will not.
Till when will you continue to be like this? Try and convince him. Sanyage. Sanyazimuzo. You can't live all your life without a child. Even the gods will not be happy with you. Stop crying and convince your husband. Now tell me, what do I do? Thank you very much.
Your father went to seek for help from a great Dikeh who gave him an antidote to preserve your future.
So now, I need your help. Please, anything you can do to help me, please do it.
Jide nka iro idosi ana begi gejine chekwa begi anya ndị ile ama afọ gị aka na-atụ gị nke ọjọọ ama afọ gị dosi ya iro na begi.
Thank you, Nai. So if I apply this, my problems will be over. If I apply this, I will save the life of my son.
I'm watching it. Yana ngora afọ.
You're a god.
Now you see, your mother wanted you so desperately, but locked your destiny up unknowingly. You must set yourself free and live.
It's the height of it. This is the height of it. What does the Igwe think he's doing? Akweke died several days ago due to the forceful takeaway of Kanna. Now Kanna is dead. He doesn't even want to release his body for burial. Why?
See, we have endured for so long. It's time we do something about this. Kanna cannot be thrown into the evil forest without giving a befitting burial.
Where the fire goes out is where one throws away the torches. Kanna's journey will not end in the custody of the Igwe. The youth must go for him.
Ah! What is that? Enough of that! Enough of that! Young men of Enuachara, it is not wise to go against the traditions of the land. Is that clear? You are all warned. What is it?
Iche, what tradition will allow the Igwe keep our fellow youth in custody even in death?
Iche Achuzem, we're only here to give you the last respect before we storm the Igwe's palace.
And Ichi, if he refuses to release Kanna's body to us, we'll turn this kingdom upside down.
Yes!
Youths, listen. It has not come to that. I want to promise you one thing. I will liaise with other elders so that we go to the Igwe. Because the Igwe must know about this. And I will get back to you. Is that okay?
Igwe, it is very serious. The youth are threatening to turn the kingdom upside down should you refuse to release the corpse of their fellow youth in your custody.
It has not gotten to that.
Igwe, Mbanelu, who knew what he has done, said his legs did not touch the ground. We cannot continue to make excuses with the return of Otogbaje. No! Things are getting out of hand, Igwe.
I understand how you feel. I understand. I'm worried myself. It is only 4 days to the burial of the princess. I suppose that Otogbaje should be on his way now. So let us be patient. I plead with you. Let us be patient.
Hey.
Set yourself free and believe.
oke mmiri bọsụ mụ na gị na-abụ ekwesị ekwe ite a ma mma abara ji mana mgbe ekwu ka anyị egbu ngwa ka anyị kere mma kpụrụ nkọ ya dịba anjekọla eze n'obi yo ka njekọla eze n'obi ogwe oke mmiri na-ebu n'ogwe kedu ka ogwe si jizie kedu ka ogwe jizie gịbụ oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe kedu ka ogwe si wee jizie egbe ihe n'ala ogwe na-enu ogwe na n'ogwe ji ka njekọla eze na-ejebe n'oke osisi n'anya fụlụ ọgwụ udo na-afụga agwọrọ ndị mmụọ adọbezanụ na-ejebe n'oke osisi n'anya fụlụ agwụ udo na-afụga agwọrọ ndị mmụọ ogwe na-enu ogwe nọ n'ogwe ji une mmụọ
Otogbaje nnọọ Igwe oke mmiri the son of Ekwenche the great Dibia is dead.
Hey! Tufiakwa! Tufiakwa!
Aru! Abomination! Otogbaje, how could such a famous person die and nobody heard about it? Huh? So what do we do?
We can only act on discretion. We must bury the boy and prepare the princess. 3 nights from today, it will complete 14 good days. Une mo. Ah! Egbe na cha je ye na na. Agwa pa budu na je na jo ya cho an je no ko sisi. Amen. Okay, Millie. Bosmona Ganabo. Bosmona Ganabo. Equence Equinita, Mamma Baraji. Madame Bukai Bungo, Panica Macboronco. Yadaba. And you call us an obio, can you call us an obi? Ogwe. Camille. Camille, go Camille, no, Kidiko go she's Kidiko go she's here. Give Camille neighbor, Kidiko go she's here. Eba yenana. Ogwe no gwedio. Kanja Kauleze.
Welcome, my beloved son.
I am not your son, and I will never, ever be your son.
You are married to me, and your destiny is tied to mine.
Not anymore. I don't want to be part of you anymore.
No son of mine leaves me. Forever, you belong to me.
No son of yours, and today we shall be separated.
How dare you speak to me in that manner? I gave you life and chose your destiny. You are mine forever.
Goddess of deceit and selfishness. Today, your grip on him is over, and your bond separated.
know you will be here. But sorry, it is too late.
Died to go away. But the land remains. He must go.
No, he's mine forever.
Then you will die instead.
Where is she? Where is she? Where?
Problems are over. Follow me.
What? You saw? Wait.
The old woman who is being given a child to hold, and she said she has a bad set of teeth. Is she given the child in order to eat it?
Nora, your words are heavy. Speak to your people in plain words.
Excuses are not plea to bury a living being. The boy lives.
Now, you have to return to the other side of life. But you can choose to stay if you want to.
Can I ask a favor? Can someone live here with whatever he pleases?
Only on one condition. That your request is in line with your soul.
Igwe, those were the exact words of Nora.
Nora, the living goddess?
She declared the boy alive, but we still see him dead.
Huh? Hey. Then we shall wait for those words to be fulfilled. My elders, tomorrow the princess shall be buried. I hope Nora knows what she was saying.
Why are you losing hope? She said Kana is not dead, and I believe it.
Kana.
Kana.
What else?
Why? Why didn't you wait for me? Why didn't you wait? Why didn't you wait? Why? Why? Then you could have waited. You could have waited.
And today is the princess's burial. What a tragedy.
Ganna! Stop! Ganna, wait now.
Where is he going? Hey, wait for me!
Ganna, why you do this now? Why you do this? Ganna!
My heart bleeds. Indeed, it bleeds. Because today, the earth will receive the body of my beloved daughter.
Hey!
My princess! My princess! Chiganna! Wakego! Wakego. 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 Hey! May the gods be praised! Enu achara kwenu. Enu achara kwenu. I, Igwe Anochie, the son of Ikemba of Enu Achara, hereby declare you Chikanna, a husband to my lovely daughter, Wakego. In line with my powers as the king of Enu Achara, I also declare you heir to the throne of Enu Achara when I am gone. May this day be blessed. Enu Achara kwenwo! Kwenwo! Kwenwo!